quite a daunting thing to come to a trading competition. So did you feel pressure when you was trading? That probably helps you, right? How long have you traded for? Are you new to trading, or do you see it leading into a global recession? Right, so hello everybody, my name is Connor Woods. I'm the Senior Market Analyst here at Taurex. We are at the PROFX Expo MENA 2025, an amazing trading competition. We just had the winner of the trading competition, and we've now got another contestant. Alexis, how are you?
Yes, I'm good, fine, thank you.
Good, good.
Not the winner though, just like participate.
That's fine.
For the first year, next year, maybe.
Yes, well, we really appreciate you coming on, of course. We're just going to ask a few questions about your trading experience, because as a trader myself, it's quite a daunting thing to come to a trading competition.
Yeah.
Right. So how did you find it?
At first, it was a little bit intimidating because in my head was like watching everyone. Probably everybody's a pro. They're just going to look at me coming here in a dress. Like, what is she doing here? But then I was like, why not? It's a risk taking, and you learn from experience, and you never know. By tomorrow, time to time, like little by little, day by day, you just learn a lot, and then.
Yeah.
You do
and
it.
Did you feel any pressure when you was actually trading? Because it was a live. Because I've never done a live competition. So did you feel pressure when you was trading? That probably helps you, right?
Yeah, it does help because like when you're at home, you're in your own little world or whatever you do it from. But now you're like with a lot of people. You just feel like everybody's watching you. Like you want to do your best. You don't know, maybe you lose in that little time instead of winning, and then you don't get to win.
So how long have you traded for? Are you new to trading, or?
Yes, I'm quite new, so it's like a couple of months, almost a year. I first started my first account, then I found an institution that teaches people how to trade physical, not online. So I took those classes, and then little by little, I started making money. Not a lot, but every dollar matters.
Of course, yeah. And if you're just starting out and you're making money, that's great. So
for sure.
Can you tell me maybe what is your best trade? Can you remember what your best trade was and the experience that you had? Or?
Yeah, it was actually very close to date, and it was in gold, even though we do a very small margin. We do the 0.01%. But for me, it was quite a lot because I'm not used to, first of all, winning that much at the beginning.
Yeah.
But when the price of the dollar went down, then that's when we started making more.
Definitely. Okay, cool. And when you talk about the price of the dollar there, so obviously we've had a crazy, few weeks in the markets with everything that's gone on, the Trump tariffs, and I mean the word tariff is just now embedded in my brain.
I think it's an obsession. Yeah. Like, I hear it everywhere, even when I'm in the metro, if I'm in a bank, anywhere, it's just like here.
So what is your opinion on what's happening in the markets at the moment in terms of the Trump tariffs? Do you see it leading into a global recession?
I mean, everyone says that it's kind of planned. Like that's, I don't know, a word of the market, that it's something that is planned, and it's planned in order for the U.S. economy to start building up. I'm not very sure. Even though I studied political science, economy was never my thing.
No, it's fine.
I'm learning nowadays. But I think it's all something that's going to build up U.S. economy more. I don't know for the other countries and for the market itself.
Yeah. I mean, for the global market, I suppose it's not a great thing. Well, do you just trade gold? Is it the only market you trade, or do you trade
gold
indices?
And crypto.
And crypto.
Yeah.
So if I asked you a question now, I think we're what percentage down are we in crypto since the Trump tariffs? It's not been too bad, but maybe 10, 15%? Is that about right?
To be honest, I'm not sure.
Not sure.
Yeah.
So give me your Bitcoin price prediction by the end of this year, if you could put a number on it. I know it's very difficult.
A number? Well, for sure it always increases, so it's going to increase as well. How much, that I wouldn't know.
Just a number. Can you think of it?
Like in percentage?
No,
or
in dollars.
In dollars? I don't know.
No. Okay, no, that's fine. It's difficult to predict that sort of thing. Okay, so we'll just end maybe on some quick fire questions. Okay, so just whatever comes to mind. So I've got some questions written down because I'll forget them, of course. Can you describe trading in one word?
Risk taking. No matter, even if you're like a great analyst, if you sit for hours to do your analysis of the market or of the charter itself, it's always a risk.
Okay.
So you have to be prepared for it, I think, psychologically.
No, that's fine. That's definitely right.
Yeah.
What is the one thing that you wish you knew before you started trading?
That it's this easy. You just have to do it.
That it's easy?
Yeah. I mean, it's challenging, but in the same time, it's easy to learn it. Anybody can do it. You don't have to necessarily have like a background in finance, or you can learn it.
Okay. So what do you find the hardest thing about trading?
They have to be patient. That's not going to happen from one day to another. It's not like on TV or when they do this Instagram videos that you immediately win. No, it's going to take a little bit of time to learn and like to adjust, but you can do it for sure.
Brilliant. Couple more questions and then I'll leave you be. I'm a trader myself, so we all deal with losses. We all lose trades, right? It's just the nature.
Yeah.
So how do you personally deal with losses on your trading account or losses in trades?
I try not to take it personally. I try like to discount the money that I put in and how much I lose or gain. And yeah, I've learned recently how to budget more as a girl. Less shopping, more investing.
So trading what you can afford to lose and also taking the emotion out of what you do.
I think so.
That's definitely the right attitude. Okay, and just the last question then. What comes to mind when you hear the word trading as an industry?
As an industry, wow. I think it's kind of like, I don't know if it's correct to say, but it's kind of like real estate, that with some knowledge and practice every day, I think anybody, even without, like I said, a finance background, can do it. And it's worth it. I don't know, it's really, really worth it.
Okay, brilliant. Well, honestly, thank you very much for taking the time to answer some questions, and hopefully we'll see more of you soon.
Yeah, for sure.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.